This is a 9-minute spine and hip mobility practice where we will be going through the exercises together. But before we get started, I want to review what we're going to be doing and why these exercises are so super fabulous. We're going to start with seated hip swivels. And this is the kind of exercise that I started with when I had my hip replacements. And I highly, highly recommend, whether you're just starting out in the adventure of hip mobility or you've been doing it a while, to really, really work this exercise. And even if that's the only one you do out of the whole class, that's the one I recommend. From there, we're going to go to hip abduction, and it's a seated swivel, one side at a time. And I find that most people are able to do it. The difference is that some of us do it with a small range of motion and some of us do it with a bigger range of motion. Then we go to an internal hip rotation, and that's going to be a tiny range of motion. And if you can't lift up your shin that much, that is all right. Stick with the exercise, come back to this class, come back to this sequence, and you will find that your range of motion does increase. From there, we go into two what I call fancy side stretches. We'll be in a hip stretch position and we'll stretch to the side. Each side will be 30 seconds, and then we will lift and elevate our hips up for an elevated side stretch. This one feels so good. If you feel like it's too hard today, skip it, but you'll be coming back to this class, and when you come back to this class, it will be easier. Then we do a single leg stretch for 30 seconds each. It's great for the hamstrings, it's great for the back, and it's great to prepare ourselves for our final exercises. Then we go into a spinal mobility, and the spinal mobility is a combination of having a hamstring stretch and a twist to the side. And this is like the reason why we're doing this for 7 minutes before, so we can really, really work the spinal mobility. Like I said, for so many of the other exercises, if you're finding it difficult, just do a few, do a smaller range of motion, but come back to this class, come back to this sequence, because you will get stronger. Then we flip things around and we do reverse scorpion. Now, reverse scorpion is kind of like a spinal mobility, but on your belly. And the first few, you're gonna kind of be figuring it out, but then I promise you, it will probably be your go-to favorite exercise for opening up your back. Then we're going to end with what I call infinity cobra, which is where we're just stretching the front of our hips and our back and moving our shoulders in an infinity sign. I just love this class. I cannot wait to go through this sequence with you. Let's get started. Super fabulous work. Please save this class, bookmark this class, so you can come back to this class, because this kind of 9-minute mobility sequence is what makes a difference in your mobility. Let me know how this class went for you, and remember, exercise works when you know how to work it.